Behind me is the Gibbs building, which is the first project that we did for King's College in Cambridge. It's a Grade 1 listed building. Initially we cleaned it using our facade gommage system, and then as head of restoration I ran the teams that restored the stonework and restored the timber windows and redecorated all the timber work. Working with Historic England and the college's conservation team led by Matthew Beasley, it was a cross between a restoration and a conservation project, where some of it was just simple restoration, repointing, and some of it was replacing stonework that had eroded over the centuries.
Facade gommage works by projecting very fine powders of compressed air. The powders are very light but sharp, and they have enough mass and energy to cut through the dirt, but they don't affect the stone in any way. There is no other system suited to this kind of work, cleaning and restoring educational establishments during term time without affecting the students' studies. Facade gommage is ideal for facades such as this, which are heavily polluted and where water could migrate contaminants further into the stone.
Thomann-Hanry, I think, have shown that certainly the method that they use is very appropriate for these kinds of historic buildings. And I could also say that the team of operatives who carried out the work, I found them to be very diligent and very knowledgeable. The conservation and restoration of historic fabrics such as this around the college is very fulfilling to be involved with for the maintenance team and most of the college staff. Thomann-Hanry have provided a great service from start to finish, I would say, certainly in the site setup, the actual application and management of the process. And we're very pleased generally with how Thomann-Hanry have conducted themselves and carried out this work. So I think on behalf of the college and all of the maintenance team behind this project, I'd like to say that we're judging this as a great success, certainly in the way that it looks, and the response and feedback that we've had from staff and students. And I think the stonework looks hundreds of years younger actually.